welcome back, and let me do an holiday unboxing. So this is some of the items I got for the holiday season for my nail room. So let's go through this step by step. The first item I got was a holder and a stand for my iPad. The one thing that is currently holding my iPad is this stand over here, and this part is magnetic, so I do have my tip stands on here, and this does fold up really nicely, but I wanted something, I'll insert a photo over here, that would hook up to this whole like bar contraction that I did purchase from IKEA. If you want to see that in the setup, then go to this video right over here. When I'm done setting everything up, this is what it looks like, and from the back you can see that it's just clamped on to the bar, which I originally said previously that this is a holder that clips onto a mic stand, so I know that it would fit. Basically, I have this so that way I do not have any clutter on my nail desk, but my iPad can still move around freely. So the next two items that came from Amazon are in relation to lights. The first one is this. So what it is, this is a traveling light. I can lock this up right here. We start at 4,000K and go all the way up to 6,000. That's, sorry, 65. So this is with the new overhead light. I also got one more light. Told you I got two. When once again, if I'm taking pictures of my competition nails, because I do find that if I'm submitting anything online, oh, I actually really like that. I need different lighting besides what was on my desk. That's essentially why I got these two. That is at 10% at 37K. So, how low does this go? Okay, so 32K at 10%. This is 50. Let's go this way so you can see it with me. That's at 50% with 32K. So it's more of a warmer light. And let's see, all the way up at 100. That even still looks good. Okay, so down to the last item. If anyone knows, I've been getting into using an airbrush machine, and these I have 4 or 5 different colors, and these are all, I'm gonna write the company on the screen. Ones that I usually use are the One Air acrylic airbrush paints, and I have 2 different sets in this one, and these do have a little pearlescent finish, but 2 of them are pastel, just as an FYI. So we have gold, then we have silver, and they all have a little shaker inside. Then we have copper, and these are colors that I didn't have. That's why I got these. And we have a violet, like a pastel violet. And we also have a blue, so like a baby blue. So I will see how I like these colors. I'm going to show you 2 examples of my competition pieces from this year, and both of them I used the airbrush paints that I just showed you from One Air Professional. So that is everything for today. So we had 2 lights, a holder for my iPad, and acrylic airbrush paints. Everything that I got for the holiday season will be listed in the description box below, Nail Besties. And don't forget, anytime you engage with any one of my videos, like my video or leave a comment or even hit that subscribe button. Just helps send my videos out there that much further in the world of YouTube. And I'll see everyone later. Bye.